Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with TechOut. Today, very exciting unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Razer phone. I went ahead and sold my Galaxy Note 8. The new Galaxy is going to come out at around August, so I figured I'd go ahead and sell that before the prices dropped off when the new model came out. So I did go ahead and pick up the Razer phone. Now that I have switched to T-Mobile, I can use these GSM unlocked phones like this, so I'm very excited to unbox this one. The box is a little bit weird. It's a pretty big box for a phone compared to the square boxes we normally see. But there is everything that is included. The phone, battery built in, USB-C charging cable, USB-C audio adapter, quick charger, SIM eject pin, and important product information guide. So we are going to go ahead and pull the plastic off. Maybe. I really need to get an unboxing knife. Okay. Here we go. So there's no picture on the box or anything like that. It is just the Razer logo right there, the Razer branding right there, the specs on the back, and then the Razer logo up there. So let's see how this opens. It's magnetic, which is nice. It's kind of similar to their mice and keyboard. You get your little information pamphlet here signed by the CEO and all that kind of stuff on this cool kind of see-through paper. And then up front and center right here we have the device itself. Wow, that is... I knew this phone was a little bit bigger than most in terms of thickness, and it's more of a square body design. But that feels nice. It feels solid. Once we take that out, this flips over, it's attached to the box. That's pretty cool. And then you have all these labeled compartments. So right here we have your user manual with your Razer SIM eject pin. That's pretty cool. That just shows you how to get the SIM card in and out. And your power button. The fingerprint sensor is built into the power button, which is pretty nice. So you can kind of do everything in one step. No home button on the phone. It is all on-screen navigation, which is okay. I don't mind that. We have the product information guide, stuff about technical support and the serial number. Just going to go ahead and pull this out. It looks like we have some black Razer stickers that have a rainbow reflective kind of tint to them. Pretty nice. That same card right there. Right here, these two are, well, I guess they're not one. This is your USB audio adapter. So it's just USB-C to 3.5. It's a braided cable. Pretty good quality right there. Better than what came with the Pixel. Here is your charge cable. This is USB-C to USB-C. If I can get it out. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice braided cable right out of the box. It's not super long. I would say about 1.5 meters, maybe 1 to 1.5 meters. About the length that comes with an iPhone. And then right here, the heaviest box of them all, we have the USB-C power brick, which is quick charge compatible. So it does have quick charge and everything built into it. So that is how that works. Very nice Razer branded brick right here. Just plugs in like so, and you have your charger. I like the braided cable. That is a very nice touch to be included with the box. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up, and I will come back with a separate video and show you guys how it works and how I like it and everything. Very nice feeling device. I think this is going to be my new favorite phone. This has been Colin with TechOut. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.